Guys, this is before we go outside, and you're gonna get some video of it, but we woke up to our probably the biggest snowstorm we've had since we've lived here. And you can see it's still coming down. I mean, you can see on the table right there, that's a good 10 inches on the table. And over on the slide right there, you can see we've probably had over a foot so far.
Slide.
Not the slide, the bouncy thing, bouncy thing.
Bouncy thing.
But you can see we're gonna get plenty of videos today of this beautiful snow. But wow. Okay, I'm sorry, it's still gorgeous. I don't care. It's a lot of work, but it's still gorgeous. The birds at the bird feeder.
Looks like I need to fill it again. I can't tell.
So more to come. Winter hat hair. So I just came out and I had to clear out the areas to the chickens and the ducks, and this. We got a path from there to all the chicken houses. And by this evening, this could be filled up again. But again, look at this. If you don't like this, I understand you're not a cold weather person, but if you're like us, this is why we live here. We love this stuff. And I'm sure to my in-laws and several other people, that makes us nuttier than a fruitcake. And actually, I don't know if fruitcakes have nuts, but that's what they say. And so,
I think.
And I'm licensed to agree. We are a little nutty, but that's okay. That's what we're doing. Okay, guys, got a little bit of a break between the storm. We've had a little bit of snow in the past few days. See if I can show you here. Yeah, this is, I shoveled this, actually plowed this morning, and you can see it's already full back up. We got that dark lake effect coming in. Tonight it's supposed to drop another 10 inches. We've got a little bit, which, hey, like I said, I don't mind snow. I like snow, but farming in the snow, I'll tell you what, that's a challenge because you gotta try and keep the waters unthawed. You try to keep the chickens fed, everybody in safe and sound. Like our jungle chickens are gone. I don't know when we're going to see them, if we're going to see them again. There's 4 of them left. I had them in there. Put water and food in, but it was not too bad this morning, so I opened the door and they're gone. And I can't see them. Not in the trees. I don't know where they hunkered down and hid. So, well, we'll find out, you know. That's part of farming too, is lose things sometimes. But you can see that we got a little bit of snow. I got to put the snow tractor, I think this is recording, yeah. I had to put the snowblower on for this one because I've been using the the bucket for a plow. But after this morning, I found out that I'm going to need that snow plow with this, because this is pretty rough. Right now, it's pretty calm. A few minutes ago, I couldn't even walk in the wind. It was blowing so hard, I had to get my face mask, because it's pretty crazy. So anyways, got a little calm in between the storms, but not for long. Like I said, that's coming. And we've had whiteout conditions where you guys see our house, and you know, it's a barn, and it's only probably maybe 100 yards, but there's some times today we couldn't see it. It's just coming down that hard, that fast with the wind. Anyways, it's been a long day. Trying to keep track of everything, keep everything going. So, well, I just want to say hi from our snowy day on the farm. My little kid's book, Snowy Day. Snowy Day, I think it was. Anyways, always one of them books that always made me smile, because it's like a little kid in a snowsuit. But we got some chicken break. They'll be in a minute as soon as this round hits. Ison, she's loving it. She's like, this is great. She ain't hot. So she's having a good time. Well, I'll get some videos of the plow and switching out the plow and putting on the, I keep saying plow, bucket, and putting on the snowblower, because I've never done it before. So it's going to be an interesting challenge just doing that. I probably should move that right now. So do that. Well, that storm come back, as I just said. did all that and forgot the truck keys. Darn it. Michigan! All those paths I just did, the ducks decide, oh hey, we're gonna go the hard way. See? Now we're gonna make our own way. Now the chickens are smarter than the ducks. Hello, my chickens. That's the thing they say now. I don't know. Well, hello, my people, or whatever. Well, Jennifer covered in snow. Watch him run. Run, duck, run. Not that way.
So mean.
He's going the wrong way. This is how we walk down a path on duck training.
Your duck training. Oh, you didn't open a path to their house.
No, that's got to be done with a shovel.
But they didn't even go in last night, so.
Which way do we go? Come to a fork in the road. And they're all quacked up. Ha, ha, ha. Hi, chickens and chickens.
Turkeys, hopefully.
Some turkeys in here.
Frozen solid.
We gotta get some kind of heated water in here. Everything blowing in.
Oh, I'm surprised you're letting them out. I thought you'd leave them in.
Well.
Because the jungle fowl are in there.
Yeah, but we gotta get the other ones anyways. Well, I mean, if you think we should. I gotta get them water. So I gotta let them have algae water. What are you doing? You're playing with the grass.
I don't know.
She's okay. I'm talking close because I got the tractor running. It took me 2 days to hook up a quick pitch snow plow. I'm going to talk about this in the upcoming video. I'm going to tell you all about the snow stuff and some things they don't tell you. It's really important. But I want to do that. But today, we're going to go blow some shit. All right. I have never done this before. This would have taken hours without the snowblower. You can see that's how much snow we're blowing right now. I love this tractor. I love the snowblower now, and I love the river. So let's enjoy snowblowing. I did the main part because it's still coming down, but here's a pretty good indicator of just how much snow we got. I mean, 13 probably going on, maybe another 5 today. Not horrible, I've seen worse. We lived in Vermont where we had 36-inch snowstorm in a weekend. That was a blizzard. But this is pretty good. I mean, there ain't no doubt about that. So I figured out one other thing. Tractor can't go up the hill without chains. So I gotta figure out what to do about that. Might have to do this with the old hand blower. Old pusher, you know. But right now, I'm gonna go put on some, as you can see, I'm a little snowy, dry clothes and thaw my legs out, and we'll do this again later today because, well, our gate example. Here's my hand, over my hand. Now my hands are like 12 inches, 11 inches. So 10 inches, I don't know. So, booty full. My picnic. Keep everything cold. A little snow buildup up there. Oh, that's sad. A grill covered in snow. Normally that doesn't happen, but the grill's dead, so. Okay. And that's us from our snowy Looney Moose morning. Probably Seahawks I get. You guys gotta see this. I mean, it is just drop dead gorgeous. I know some people think I'm insane, but my gosh, look at this. It is just stunningly gorgeous. There's some icicles. Heisen's out running. She's having a good time. Sun's out. Dad's gonna go with the plow and plow the yard way. There's something. What's here? Probably a rabbit. Chickens and ducks are out. Sunshine. I mean, come on. Just doesn't get. Hey, Ethan! You having fun? Just doesn't get any prettier than this.